If your Insignia Fire TV remote suddenly stopped responding, or only the power button is working while everything else is dead, this video is for you. In this video, I will show you simple, at-home fixes to get your Insignia Fire TV remote working again. Let's start by checking the batteries, because many times the problem is right there. Take the batteries out of the remote and replace them with working ones. Make sure the batteries are placed the correct way, matching the plus and minus signs inside the remote. Once the batteries are in properly, try using the remote again and see if it responds. Now, let's move on to repairing the remote using the home button. Point the remote directly at your Insignia Fire TV and press and hold the home button. Keep holding it for about 10 to 30 seconds, then let go. Wait a few moments and check if the remote starts working. If your remote has a pair button, you can try pairing it this way. Open the battery compartment and look for the pair button. If you see it, press the button once and wait. This step only works if your remote has that button, so don't worry if you don't see one. If the remote is still not working, it's time to do a full remote reset, which is the most effective fix. First, unplug your Insignia Fire TV from the power and wait for 60 seconds. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the back, left, and menu buttons on the remote at the same time for 12 to 30 seconds. After that, release the buttons and wait for 5 seconds. Then remove the batteries from the remote, plug the TV back into power and wait for it to turn on. Put the batteries back into the remote and press the home button to pair it with the TV. If the remote still does not respond, repeat the reset steps carefully and make sure you are holding the buttons for the correct amount of time. Try replacing the batteries with new ones and then attempt the home button pairing again by holding it while pointing the remote at the TV as a temporary solution. You can still control your TV using the Amazon Fire TV mobile app on your phone. Use the app as a remote until the physical remote starts working again or you get another one. That's it for this video on fixing an Insignia Fire TV remote that's not working. I hope these step-by-step fixes helped you get your remote connected and working again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. If one of these methods worked for you, or if you have a question, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.